Hey, hey.
Do you mind if I look inside?
Sure, hop in.
Just look at
It's okay. Hop in.
Oh my
I'm
God.
glad to share
I
it.
can't even get in.
I haven't had it very long.
Oh wow, this is so cool. Babe,
in.
look at it.
That is cool.
Hop in.
Sorry, thank you. She just.
Oh wow,
that's awesome.
look at that.
What are you guys
I
shut the
love
door?
that.
Hop in.
That's amazing.
What are you guys doing tonight?
Oh, we're just celebrating Devin's birthday. My
it's my
name's
birthday.
Nadia. What's your name, sir?
My name's John. How you
John,
doing?
thank you
Hey,
so much for
John.
letting us try. This is so cool.
She's been seeing them everywhere and like noticing. I mean, they are very
Yeah,
cool.
so I don't know who that is.
We should probably get out there.
No, it's okay. No, it's okay. I'll take you for a ride.
Wait, what?
I'll take you for a ride.
Are we supposed to be in here?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I was like, what is she doing? This is so rare.
You can tell this song is
Let's go for a ride.
Well, that's what I was also, I'm like, some worship music? What? Whoa.
Smile, you're on camera. She,
Whoa.
she,
expect that, did
No,
you?
this is super wild. I was like, well, what did she do? She just getting in this guy's car? Like, and that's so out of character for her, too, because she's pretty like, I'm like, she's like touching the
a
window.
pussy broad, isn't she?
Yeah, and I'm like, babe, you can't just touch the guy. There's somebody in there. You can't just touch the car. That
I
was
just want to
so
see.
great.
I just
I
want
know
to see
you're
the
so,
look inside.
you are so funny.
She arranged for you to have a tour of Nashville in
Oh
the
my
in the
gosh,
Cybertruck. That's what we're gonna give
What
you.
is that? This is not what I was expecting. This is amazing.
You know we're walking into a restaurant.
I told. Oh,
We're not doing a restaurant here. We're gonna do